Create images using AI. That's the newest thing. So in this video, I'll show you how to get started using Dall E, BING, and make your first images in a few minutes after we finish this short video. So the thing is that the AI, when we prompt it, so that's a thing, that's a new word combined with the AI's prompt. So that means we ask a question, and ask and you shall receive. So the better questions we ask, the better output we get. So my mother had her birthday a few weeks ago, and I wanted to create an image that had a penguin, had her garden, and the penguin was planting strawberries, and this is the image I got. So for some of us, we couldn't create art in the past, like me, and for others you might want to create some new art like paintings and then use this as inspiration. My name is Palle and this is Siggy AI. Remember to subscribe to our channel. So the first thing if you want to create these images is that you go to bing.com/create. Then from there you will be met by an image that looks like this. Then we need to click the button that says like participate and sign up. So that brings you to a page where you need to sign up. So if you don't have a Bing account or Microsoft account, then you need to create one and then sign in. Then when you're signed in, you'll be met by a page that looks like this. And then up in the top left, we can start writing stuff. We just need to be aware of a few things. So like the text you write in 99 out of 100 times doesn't come out the way you want. Then you need to change it later. Faces and hands can look weird, and sometimes you will get a wrong result. So let's try it for example sake. So I'm writing, I want an image of penguins at a birthday party planting strawberries in the garden. The same image I had in the beginning. So when I put that in, it will start thinking, AI is making the image, and then it comes with 4 images based on my prompt. I can feed the same prompt to it again, or I can add more details. So if I feed the same prompt, I'll still get 4 images that are the same but are different. So every time we prompt the same thing, we get 4 new images. So it's not like it's giving the same thing. It's kind of weird with the ChatGPT that you can ask the same question and then you get a new answer. Yeah, but that's how it is. So that's one example. So another example is that I have like a kid, he likes Thomas the Train, and I wanted to tell him a bedtime story about Thomas the Train rescuing penguins. So I could put in Thomas the Train rescuing penguins and I get this image. So that's one of the things we need to be aware about. It's like, so how do we depict and tell through images that Thomas is rescuing penguins? I don't know. It's the same thing if you ask me like make a drawing of Thomas the Train rescuing penguins. I would be like, this is what the Bing created. So I think that's pretty good. Sometimes we don't really get the things we want. So maybe I wanted Schrodinger's cat. It gave me these 4 results on the left. That's not really what I looked for. But that's the thing with the AI, right? So sometimes we need to be more detailed in what it is that we want. But it's pretty good at creating stuff with like minimal input. We have other AI, so there's like Stable Diffusion, there's Midjourney. So Midjourney I have here. So this is Midjourney's interpretation on the right of the Schrodinger's cat. So you see that sometimes if you want an image and you prompt it into Dall E and then you use another AI, you would get different results. So that's just a thing we need to be aware about. I'll put a link to a video to Midjourney up here if you want to see that. These are some of the images I've created so far by like doing different things, and I think that is awesome. How we'll do with AI in the future, I don't know, if it's like the Schrodinger's cat. Anyways, if you like AI, if you like the video, give the video a like, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about AI and participate in our webinar, we have a free webinar on www.siggy.ai.